how to verify the MSTO office that your former TaxPro Max was registered in. Those who are finding it difficult to know or get the actual TaxPro Max office that their TaxPro Max was registered in, then watch this video to the end. This video is going to take you through how you can get the actual TaxPro Max for your office, so as for you to be able to log yourself into the Rev 360 if you don't have your login details, or if you forget your password and you still have access to your email, then you can do this. So let's go straight into it. All you need to do is log in using the self-service taxpayer portal, and it will take you down to this place. You come down to this middle and click forgotten TaxPro Max credentials. Click on it. Once you click on it, this box will pop up for you. Once this box pop up, you will input your tax ID here and verify it. You will pick the date of that your company or business or NGO registration here, and then you pick the state and pick the tax office. So let's go straight into it. So what you need to do is to click on this and paste your tax ID. I had explained how you can get your tax ID in some other videos that I have on this channel. So if you don't know how you can get your tax ID, go to those videos and check it out. So you paste your tax ID and validate it. Once it validates like this, input your date of incorporation, which is the date on your certificates. You come to this upper part and pick the years first. Click on this 2026 that you have here. If it was 2025, 2024, 2023, 2021, you pick that year first. Then you come here and navigate to the exact month that your business was registered. Once you get there, then you pick the dates and click on set. It will set it up for you. Then the next thing is for you to pick which state was your registration done. The next thing is for you to choose the state that your TaxPro Max was registered in. So once you pick the date, come here and navigate to pick the state. So once you pick the state, it's now left for you to use this select tax office to search for your TaxPro Max office. That is, if you did not know your TaxPro Max office before now. When TaxPro Max was opening, I did a video then. I could remember how you can get to see your tax office from your TaxPro Max dashboard, but it's unfortunate that is not opening again, so we cannot get it through that. We can only get it through our Rev 360 now. So let's go straight to it. What we will be doing is under FCT. If you are looking at all of this, these are all the tax offices that we have under FCT, which is Abuja. What you are going to be doing is to pick each of these and see if it will work for your activation. So we are going to start by this and click on validate details. If it's it will pop up. You can see it says that tax office does not match. Come again and pick another tax office. Then you click on validate details. If it matches, it's going to show you green and bring it up. It will pick that particular details. If it matches, it's going to show you green and bring it up. It will pick that particular tax office. But if it does not match, it will keep telling you tax office does not match. When you validate it, tax office does not match. So you keep on doing this till you get your tax office, because this is the only way for now that you can use to know if this particular office was the tax office that was fix for your company. Validate. You see, tax office does not match. Let's go again. Why I'm doing this is because this person does not know the tax office that was registered for his business, and he does not have any certificate given to him that indicates the actual office. He only knows that and was only told that his certificate was done in FCT. So that is why we have the privilege to use this to search the actual office. So let's go. Anyone that is the actual office, we are going to know when we get there. So this is how let's go again. It does not match. Tax office does not match. Validate. Tax office does not match. Tax office does not match. Go again and pick the next office in that particular state. It does not match. Tax office does not match. So let's check this. Wow. Finally, we got it. You can see that was the tax office. That was Use2. Yes, if I can remember. Use2 was the actual office for this particular company. When we picked it, you can see it gave us the next interface because the system has detected that that was the tax office and it matches. So that is why it gave us the next interface for us to input our email, our password, and confirm the password to complete the registration. So with this, I believe you should be able to set your own tax office all by yourself without having any issue with it. Now we are going to input our email to proceed. Then you input your password. So make sure the password you are inputting here has capital letter, it has small letters, it has special character, and it has a number in it so that it will be able to go make it a unique password. After you input your email and your password, which the password should be the same thing in your password and confirm password, you click on complete registration and it will load up successfully like this. Then you click on proceed to login by using the same email and the same password that you just created. So once you input that, you click on sign in. You click on sign in and it will load the processing authentication, and boom, it will take you down to your Ref 360 portal, which is your account here. You can see this is your account. Then you can now go ahead and check your taxes if you had any penalty or not. So you can see this particular account has one tax to file. Let's see. Due in 3 days. Wow. So that is how you log in your account if you don't know your MSTO office, but you know the state that your TaxPro Max was registered in. I hope with this video you've been able to learn something. If this video has taught you something, don't forget to like the video, drop your question in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to join the family. Subscription is free. And also turn on your notification bell so as to get notified when next I will drop any other video. Thank you. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.